Last year, Austin Fashion Week introduced its Rising Star Award. This award is given to those who early in their career share the characteristics of trailblazers, but who would be considered breakthrough or emerging talents. This year's nominees have all proven that they will continue to help move the Austin fashion industry forward. There are many facets to the fashion industry. One that we've seen prevalent in Austin over the last decade has been in accessory design. One designer in particular has helped insert a sophisticated Austin flair into her collection. Her talent was recognized early in her career in 2011, and in 2012, she launched her line of timeless and luxurious accessories. She's produced 2 full collections and has been in publications both local and international, including Austin Women's Magazine and Vogue Italia. As a wardrobe stylist, it thrills me to see new and emerging talent thriving through the streets of Austin. When I first discovered this designer, I was actually truly blown away. Her philanthropic involvement includes donating pieces of her collections to organizations including the ARC of the Capital Area and the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. As a proud recipient of the Rising Star Award in 2013, it is with great pleasure that I present this year's Rising Star Award to Jessica Berg.
Okay, so thank you so much. I'm really, really excited. I did take bullet-pointed notes because I'm neurotic. But I just want to say thank you. Starting at UT in the design program, I definitely have really strong roots in Austin. And Austin Fashion Week is an incredible platform for local talent and kind of showcasing that nationwide. And I'm just really honored to be considered one of them. So thank you very much. And Matt and Kara, y'all are incredible. I know this takes so much work and you pull it off flawlessly. So thank you very much.